Guys, welcome back to the video. Today I'm gonna be showing you top 3 ways to get outside the map in Animal Company, and they're only gonna get more and more broken, so keep watching to the end. Anyway, starting off with number 3, the worst and slowest way to get outside the map. So you just grab an ender pearl. The reason it is one of the worst is because, the reason it is the worst is because you have to unlock the tech tree. So if you're trying to do something without anything in the tech tree, without much in the tech tree, it's not for you. Anyway, the next way, it's not that. Next way. This way is kind of difficult, yeah. The thing is, you do not have to unlock Grappler and Tetri. It is just in sewers around in that area. Anyway, that's the next way, and the final way requires a bit of exploration, but it is worth it and it is pretty fun. This is really chaotic as well. I would recommend taking a weapon with you, just like a baseball bat, just like one you can throw aside when you are done though. So, anyway, since it is Tuesday, there is a new map layout, but trust me, it's really easy. All you want to do is going straight forward. It was Tuesday yesterday, so get me out of here. Anyway, you only want to come. Also, I would recommend staying to the roof. And here we are at the next destination to get outside the map. What you want to do is you don't really want to grapple for the best experience, I would say. Damn, I forgot all about that. Oh no! Oh my god. Anyway, we have made it to the final area now. Now, finally we make it outside the map. Just eat broccoli. And you're probably saying, why the heck do you eat broccoli to get outside the map? Well, you see, when I eat the broccoli, I go up and down. So if you get big enough, it teleports you through the wall. See how I'm going higher every time I eat broccoli? No. Let me go. You want to resist, and as you can see then, I just spawned outside the map. See, I am literally outside the map right now as a giant. This is actually crazy, because now you can just be outside the map and when you are giant. And if you want to get further outside the map, let me just see, you can literally just eat broccoli and be outside the map. It is really funny. I think this way is the way to, like, look at that, bro, that's tiny, just coming out from between my fingers. And if you want to get further outside the map, look at how big I am. Let's eat another broccoli. Alright, I am literally so far outside the map right now that this wire is as big as my finger. Look at this. I'm literally a Mimic tunnel right now. This reminds me of freaking Legos. Keep in mind, guys, I'm literally standing on the void right now. Isn't that crazy? Let's look at the mimics. Oh. Am I cooked? I'm cooked! It killed me! What a mean game. This game is so mean and now I don't have grapplers. What the heck? Why do I have an eye patch? Why can I not see my hands? What is happening? What happened? What did I do? Guys, I think I glitched Animal Company a little much. Look at this. I am just bones. Guess you could say I'm just skin and bones. Get it? Yo, what is happening right now though? That was the worst joke ever, but still, this is what I'm supposed to look like and this is what I see. Okay guys, you just saw what happened. I glitched the game. I glitched it and now I have an eye patch. My right eye is like completely covered or something and I don't know what it is. So what we're going to be doing, guys, all now is we're going to be going outside, getting back my grapplers. Some more grapplers. Oh my god! Get away! Help me! Bro, you're so evil, mimic. Eat that flashback. Eat up. Damn, that's a flashback. I can see it though in the recordings. But I glitched Animal Company so hard that it literally gave me an eye patch. Like, what did I do? It's not even textured, it's just grey. Get out! Right. There you go. It does have... Right. It does have texture. Then what could it be? Why is there just like scissors in my eye right now? Like, what is happening? No, it might be my sunglasses. Let me see. It might be. Wait 1 sec. Let me take off the sunglasses. Give me... Okay. None. Oh! That's... What did I do to the game? I glitched it so hard. Oh. Oh, no. I glitched... Oh. Animal Company. Fix your game, bro. What is this? That's not what I look like in the mirror. Why do I look like a freaking cheese stick? What is that? My cat is still jiggling though. Oh, hell no, man. Who invited this kid? But I'm literally inside. What is happening? What is this? This is the inside of my arm. Why is it layered? What is that? Why do I have a wing? Why is there a wing? Help! No, I'm actually concerned right now. What is this? Okay. I'm not even using mods. I'm on standalone. Like, look. Okay, that's actually crazy though. Whoa! How is it? What did I do? Like, I just like was massive and fell outside the map, and then I'm not even existent anymore. Oh, subscribe. Oh, this will be on the event tonight. Oh no, Frog will. No, Cat will. This looks so goofy. What about the skeleton? Gorilla. Pug. What is happening? Subscribe if you want to see more broken content. Anyway, peace.